K-pop video. This week we went through Rum Pum 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 by FX. As you can see, the choreography itself is not that hard, but there are so many moves that you need to remember and let your body dance by itself. So it took a while for all of us to get it perfectly, but at the end of the workshop we danced it very well and it was also so much fun. So in this video I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the last chorus to the end of the song, and at the end of this video we're gonna try with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. We also have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. And we also have the free live workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, both open to any levels and ages. So whoever loves K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, whenever you guys ready, let's begin. So today we're gonna start on 5. Before moving into the chorus, we have a 4 count move on the beat. It's gonna be da, 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 da. Good. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? We're gonna break it down. First, you're gonna take your elbow, right elbow, pull it to the right, and then step right. Now you're gonna extend the right arm to the bottom, and take your left foot up, bend your left elbow up. Now we're gonna step back to the left, take your right hand in front of your left chest, and then bring the left arm circle over, and you're gonna lean forward, and take your right leg up, and pull your left arm down. And then face up, cross your arms in front of the chest. Good. So it's gonna be full, step down, circle, and up. In a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Good. After stand up straight, you're gonna step back with your left foot and touch your hip with your hands, and you're gonna kick back with your right foot. Kick. And then bring your right foot forward. And as you flip in your arms, you're gonna take your left knee forward. Good. And then you're gonna step back, cross your arms. Now you're gonna shift to the left and open your arms. And then step, step. After open, when you step it, you're gonna take your left foot back and then lean to the left twice. Left. Your arms, after open this, extend the left arm first, make a fist on both of your hands. And then when you step, you're gonna bend your left arm and then extend the right one. Just like this. Step, step, step. Okay, so one more time. After stand up straight, you're gonna step back with your left foot and then touch your hip, kick with your right foot, and flip. Now step back and cross, open, and step, step. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So you're gonna cross your hands, step back with your right leg, and kick with your left foot so that you can step forward and then flip and take your right knee up. Now cross and open, and again step, step. Good. One more time. After cross, you're gonna step back and kick with your right foot, flip, cross, open, step, step, switch, cross, kick, and flip, cross, open, step, step. After that, you're gonna face forward and then hands down, put your feet together, and then step back with your right foot and right hand on your hip. Now you're gonna lean to the left and then take your right leg to the right, and at the same time you're gonna point to the right as well, and then drop your arms to the left down. Yes, you're gonna cross the right foot behind the left and then touch your right hand onto your hip. Good. So that you can work forward from the right foot 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you're going forward, you're gonna take your left arm up, 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 up. Good. And then you're gonna face left. Yeah. When you face left, you're gonna point, but your right finger facing backward, and we're just gonna tilt forward with your left foot forward and step back. After the shake, we got to here. Now 1, step back, right, left, and walk, 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 walk. Face left, and tilt forward. Good. Okay, and then after that, you're just gonna punch to the left while you step into the right, and then punch right, and then again, shake, shake. Same shake, put your weight on the left, left. Good. Alright, this is the chorus, so let's do from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and step back and flip, cross, open, step, step, cross, step, and flip, cross, open, step, step, front, step back, right, down, up, 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 face, left, point forward, and punch, punch, shake, shake. Good. In the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. We're gonna go through all the way to the end of this song. So after shake, now we're gonna make a fist. Bring your arms in front of the chest, and then you're actually gonna bend the knees and lean forward, face down, and then stand up straight. Good. After shake, shake, now down, up, so that you can go throw, and clap. Good. We're gonna step 6 times with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your arms, first throw it, bring it up, and throw one more time, bring it down, and last one, clap. So in a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. After this, you're gonna flip your hands, make a fist, take your left shoulder forward, and then front, back, front, center. Yes, put your feet together. Front, back, front, center. And then flip your arms. You're gonna go right, left, right, up. Good. Bend your knees, and then your body face right, left, right, up. Each time, down, 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 up. Now after this, you're gonna step back. One more time, step, 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 open, open. Yes, your legs the same thing 4 times this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your arms make a fist punch from the right arm, punch, and then cross, left arm punch, and open, and open. Now after this, you're gonna step to the left, 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 step to the left, and right, right, step to the right. Here, first, it's easy. It's gonna be just the left toe, touch, touch, and then step to the left, face right. Now this time, when you step right, you're gonna knock with your left arm. Knock, knock, face forward. When you come back to the face forward, your left hand on your hip, right hand next to your ear. Good. All right, let's do from the right after the chorus. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, throw, 4, throw, 6, 7, clap, and left, right, left, center, and right, left, right, punch, 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 open, step to the left, 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 step to the left, and right, right, face forward. Now after this, you're gonna switch the legs and step left, 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 left. We're gonna go 4 times with this position. 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna take your shoulders, left shoulder forward. First, left, right, left. Imagine that you are stepping up the stairs. Left, right, left. When you come to the top, you're gonna open your arms and take your left knee up. Now you're gonna flip your hands, you open your hands, and then your palms facing down. Now again from the left shoulder, this time you're gonna go in down. So left, right, left, and the center. Okay, after step 4 times, 3, 4. Now stairs up, 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 switch, down, 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 center. Here we go, we're almost done. The last part, we're gonna close the armpit and punch. 1, 2, 3. Good. From the right leg and the punch up, 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 up. And then last step, you're gonna cross the arms and put hands together. Good. Now we're gonna shake the hip to the right, left, right, left. Good. Each time you're gonna clap, 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 clap. And then we're gonna flip the hands. Good. So we are crossing the hands like this. So we're gonna cross in and out. When you come out, your palms facing forward. And then we're just gonna make a pose, just like this. Yes, after here, you're gonna take the right leg forward and arms and pose. Good. Your palms facing to your face, and then make this pose with your hands. Good. This is it. Okay, it's a little bit confusing. So after this, we're gonna start with the 4 step on the left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 stairs and up, up, up. Switch and down, down, down. Center. Punch, punch, punch. Clap and right, left, flip and pose. Good. All right, so let's start with the right after the chorus, which is here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Up, throw, and throw. 6, 7, clap and left, center, right, up and punch, punch, up, and step, step, step to the left, and step, step, step to the right, and left step. 3, 4, and stairs, up, up, switch and down, 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 center, punch, 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 clap, right, left, flip, and pose. Alright, let's put everything together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, open, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, open, step, step, front, back, right, left, and walk, 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 step, left, tilt, and punch, punch, shake, shake, and down, up, throw, and throw. 6, 7, clap, left, center, right, up, and punch, punch, open, and step, step, step to the left, knock, knock, step to the right, and walk. 2, 3, 4, and stairs. 2, 3, switch, down, 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 center, punch, 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 clap, right, left, flip, and pose. Alright, now let's do a little bit faster and then try with the actual music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 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 face, left, tilt, and punch, punch, step, and down, up, throw, and throw. 6, 7, clap, left, center, right, up, and punch, punch, up, and step, step, step to the left, knock, knock, face forward, and switch. 2, 3, 4 stairs, up, 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 switch, down, 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 center, punch, 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 clap, right, left, flip, and pose. Alright, let's do it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, flip, cross, up, step, step, cross, flip, up, cross, step, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, punch, step, down, down, up, throw, and clap, step, left, center, right, up, punch, punch, up, step, step, step to the left, knock, knock, face forward, and switch, and stairs, up, switch, down, punch, and clap, and flip, and pose. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. I hope this tutorial will help you to get this choreography. I know it's a little bit confusing or a little bit complicated, but more you practice, better you will be at. So let's keep it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!